everybody! Angela here, and I'm the Outdoor Education Specialist at the Oakville Parent and Child Center. Now, if you know me, you know that I love getting outside. And today, I thought I'd share an idea for a way that you can get outside with your family and create something together. This activity is a nature walk, a scavenger hunt, and a creative art project all rolled up into one. And when we are finished, we're all going to have some nature to bring inside our house to enjoy all year long, and to remind us of the fun we had together making it. For this activity, I've asked some friends for help. So we're going to join them on their adventure, and together we're going to make a beautiful nature mobile. By finding a bit of nature to explore. Bring your family along too. You'll need to start looking for the different supplies you're going to use to build your nature mobile. Grab the perfect stick, or maybe even two. Keep your eyes open for all sorts of different kinds of treasures you can use. There might even be some along the sidewalks and paths right near your house. What will you discover? Bring all your treasures home and get ready to put them together. With an adult's help, you can use string to tie your sticks and to add all of the decorations. Looking good! Now it's time to find a place to hang it up. Thank you so much for bringing us on this adventure with you.